This amazing house is built from two 20-foot shipping containers welded together and offset from each other by about 8 feet. The containers are built sitting on a garage on the ground floor level. Access to this container house is through the keyless entry garage or from the sliding doors on the deck. From the garage is a custom-built stairwell that takes you to the upper floor. The stairwell is designed to harmonize industrial features with warm natural elements of bamboo. From the staircase landing is an open-plan kitchen designed with entertainment in mind. The kitchen has all the amenities you need to cook and clean, including a modern and stylish copper countertop. Next to the kitchen is a cozy breakfast nook fitted with a custom-built table which is handmade from local harvested pine, and funky light features which are also handmade from cheese graters. The breakfast nook is splashed with colors and playful pop art. The kitchen flows directly into the living room, which features a propane fireplace custom built locally with a granite mantle and chimney blending industrial with natural. The living room is cleverly furnished with a lavender sectional couch and aqua chairs, a custom tabletop and a cowhide floor mat to define the lounge area. The living room faces directly south and offers an unobstructed view from a wall of windows and a sliding patio door that leads out to the deck. The bathroom is accessible from the living area and it features a toilet, storage cabinet, a glass vessel sink, super convenient laundry chute under the sink that ends in the garage, and a separate luxurious shower with an LED rain shower head feature to indicate water temperature. The bedroom is unique with a huge polygon window, a comfortable bed, a handmade cloud lamp, and a shipping container jutting out into the space. The raw container walls are visible in the interior of the bedroom to celebrate the industrial charm of shipping container finishes. The hardwood floors are used throughout the house to create a warm and welcoming feel. The outdoor of the house has got a nice place to sit and sip tea with your book in hand, and you soak in the sounds of the birds in the forest. What do you like about this amazing shipping container home? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love this video, give us a like and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. By doing so, you will be helping our channel to grow. By doing so, you'll be helping our channel to grow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.